Hi guys, today I'm demonstrating the Dell 27-inch 4K monitor, an ideal choice for people who prefer a combination of big screen size and people who want like really updated, like latest kind of gadget. Guys, what I like about this monitor is the screen size is really big, but the kind of spaces it occupies on the base of things is like really tiny. So guys, an ideal choice for people who are specifically looking for like really long hours of work, because this is very ergonomically designed. Also, another good thing about this monitor is let's say if you work at home and there is like a lot of sunlight, then it handles the issue of reflection really well. So guys, actually you will receive three different parts in the box. One is the monitor itself. The second one is going to be this base on which the monitor rests. So this is the thing that comes on the table, the like floor, wherever you're going to keep this. And then you have this like the arm, like the thing that connects the monitor to the base. So now I'm going to show you how to put these three things together very easy. First things first, I'm going to take the foot, and guys, I'm putting this thing here. This way. So now this is connected. Guys, next we're gonna attach the base to this thing. So if you see, there is a screw here and there is a screw on the back side of this. So I'm gonna put this thing here and then just screw it in the clockwise direction. Right? Also guys, you can adjust the height, so this thing goes this way and I can push it back. It's really soft. So guys, for installing the monitor, it's very simple. You receive this cord which goes into this unit. So guys, once this thing is there in place, the other side of the cord goes into the electric switch. So I'm gonna put it here. Also guys, on the rear side of the monitor, you see these HDMI sockets. So I'm gonna plug this one here. So once done, the other side of the cord, this thing is gonna go into the laptop. So guys, just gonna plug the other end into the laptop. Guys, next I'm going to switch on the power button right here. So guys, now the laptop is connected to the monitor. I'm just going to show you like the audio and the video quality. So currently I've opened my YouTube channel and let's click on one of the videos here. I'm going to increase the volume. Overall, if you're someone who's looking for a new monitor, want to switch like from an old one to new one, or you're someone who's setting up like your office space at home and you want like something sleek, professional, really good features, ergonomically designed, and also something that accentuates your whole setup, then definitely a good choice. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.